Intergalactic, planetary, planetary, intergalactic, intergalactic, planetary, planetary.
The human voice is generated in the larynx. From here it passes through a series of resonance filters in the throat, the mouth, nasal cavities and lips. These filters are known as formants, and a unique combination of formants gives each vowel its unique quality. A digital vocoder takes the input signal from a person's voice and measures in real time the extent to which each of these formants is being produced. It then converts this data into a series of filters, each corresponding to a different formant. This filter series is then applied in real time to a synthesized instrument. The result is a simulated vowel sound being produced, which maintains the timbre of the synth. This process basically emulates a talk box, which actually sends an audio signal into the person's mouth via a tube. But with the montage, all we need to create a vocoder is a dynamic microphone that runs into a jack cable. This is plugged into the back of the keyboard, the input turned on, and the gain adjusted to avoid peaking. Now once we've done this, let's create a new performance by going to the category search function and creating an initialized AWM2 part. Now to keep it simple, I'm going to be editing just a single element of this part. Now by default, the initialized part only has one active element. So to change the sound we're using here, we can click on the name of the element and hit the search button, which takes us to a waveform search menu. The vocoder effect can be applied to any sound, but the most traditional and effective can be found in the synth lead category. A good starting point is the 101 saw waveform. Now to apply the vocoder effect, we go back to the part edit screen and click on the effects tab on the left hand side. Now let's go to insert A and select the type of effect we want. Let's scroll down to miscellaneous and vocoder. The next thing we need to do is assign what's called the modulator. The modulator is the audio source that determines which formants are used to shape the sound. Now scrolling up the menu here, we can assign the AD input, which is the microphone, as the modulator. Now at this point, if I were to play some notes on the keyboard, no sound is generated until I hold the notes down and speak or sing into the microphone.
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy?
So as we can hear, that is applying the formants in my voice to the synth sound and notes that I'm playing. But let's try now a monophonic vocoder effect, more like a talk box. On the part edit screen, I can change the sound from polyphonic to monophonic, and I can also turn off the velocity sensitivity or add some portamento.
Around the world, around the world, around the world, around the world.
Changing the source waveform or adding effects to the part can produce some pretty cool results.
Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger, more than ever, hour after hour, work is never